Hi kindergarten, it's me, Miss Richmond, live from Empowerment Academy. I'm here today to show you how you can make these really cool rainbow paper sculptures. If you remember last class, we met our friend Roy G. Biv. If you remember his name, Roy G. Biv spells the color of the rainbow. If you remember, R is for red, good. O is for orange. Y is for yellow. G is for green. B for blue. And then in the end, we've got I and V for indigo and violet. Also something I call purple. So if you're looking at our rainbow, I arranged it in order from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I'm going to show you how you can take this strip of colored paper and fold it into this 3D paper sculpture. Does anyone remember what 3D is? 3D is when something pops out at you, kind of like a pop-up book. 3D can be a sculpture. That's why I call this a paper sculpture. Your bundle of colored paper are already stapled together on one end. Miss Richmond did a little trick for you. She tried to help you out. She stapled it on one end. On the purple paper, I'm going to ask you to write your name. I'm also going to ask you to write your class, K, A, B, C, D, or E, whichever class is watching this video. Make sure you always write your class so your artwork doesn't get lost. What I'm going to do next is begin gluing this blue to my purple with just a little dot of glue. Using a glue stick, you're going to just put a dot of glue on the end of your purple paper. Remember, twist your glue stick just a tad. Wasting glue sticks makes us sad. With glue on one end of my paper, I'm going to hold my blue and purple together and count to 10. So, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. My pieces of paper should be pretty nice and glued together. If I let go, they should stick together. If they come apart, just hold it back down and count to 10 again. So, now I have purple and blue attached. I want to attach some green. So I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to add just a tad of glue. And I'm going to fold it over and attach it to my blue paper. I'm going to fold it over and attach it to my blue paper. Remember, every time you attach two pieces of paper together, make sure you hold it and count to 10. Or do a countdown. I like to do a countdown. It's a little more fun. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice where I am putting my glue. I am putting a dot of glue on the bottom of my paper. Just a dot. Remember, wasting glue sticks makes us sad, so only use a tad. With my glue touching my green paper, I'm going to hold it down and count to 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If I let go, my paper should all stay together. It's starting to make a rainbow. Next, take a little dot of glue and attach your orange to your yellow paper. How long should I count? 10, 9, 0. And last but not least, I'm going to add a touch of glue to my red paper. Just a tad of glue. Flip it over. Hold it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to notice that when you get your paper, you're going to have some paper clips attached to it. You can use one of those paper clips to be a finger and hold your paper together. So I'm just going to slide my paper clip right around my rainbow to help hold it together while it dries. While it's drying, I'm going to start making some clouds. Watch me use a pencil to make some paper clouds. With a strip of paper, I'm actually going to put some black under so you can see it a little better. With a strip of paper, I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to roll it around and around and around and around. I'm rolling my paper around my pencil so it can make a curlicue. I like to keep my pencil flat, and I like to roll it around the paper. If you need to, you can roll it in your hand like this too. Whatever you're more comfortable with. When I'm done, I'm going to let go, and you're going to see a curlicue was made. So there's my curlicue cloud. With a little dot of glue, I want my two pieces of paper to stick together. So I'm going to put a dot of glue on. I'm going to hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After I'm done holding it, I can attach, I don't know why it's so blurry today. I can attach my curlicue to my paper with just a little dot of glue. When I have that little dot of glue, I'm going to take my curlicue and I'm going to hold it on my rainbow for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When I let go, it should stay on. If it comes off, just hold it again until it dries on there. I'm going to ask you to repeat this 3 times so that you have 2 curlicues on each side of your rainbow. All right, have fun.